Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Hi. Okay, this is my hydroponic water spinach. It's been almost 4 weeks I planted it. Now it's time to harvest. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, just pull it out slowly, yeah. Okay. Can you see the roots? The roots is very clean. Can you see the leaves? Beautiful, huh? Okay, go for the next one. I have harvested this little bit early, so the stems are still soft. It even tastes better than those sold in markets. The leaves are clean and there are no insects even though I don't use any pesticides. Only the AB fertilizer. To clean it is so easy. Just remove it from the net cup and cut the roots. Then cut according to the length needed. Since it grows hydroponically, we don't have to worry about the leeches. So it's not necessary to split the stems into half to check. Today I will be cooking kangkong belacan or shrimp paste water spinach. For this recipe, we will need 3 cloves of garlic, 1 red onion, 2 red chilies and 5 bird eye chilies. Cut everything into small pieces. Add all the ingredients into a mortar and pound them. When it's a little crushed, add an inch of roasted shrimp paste. Pound everything to a fine paste. In a wok, heat some oil. Add the paste that we pounded earlier and fry over a medium flame. If you are new to this channel, please take a few moments to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest recipe. When fragrant, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir fry until everything is mixed. Now let's add the water spinach. Stir until the leaves soften. Add a little water if it gets too dry. Since it's young and tender, we just need to cook over a low flame. Finally, add salt to taste. Simmer for a while until it's a little dry. Here it is, kangkong masak belacan is ready. It is really delicious to have with a hot steaming rice paired with an omelette. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe from Dapur Shaila. See you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos, and also like, comment and share.